Hi, in front of me is Umidigi S3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store and type Shadow Galaxy. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and click on Settings. Over here you can customize your wallpaper however you want to, and when you're done, go back. Tap on Open, click Set Wallpaper at the top right corner and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!